How to open an LLC in Wyoming 2025. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about how you can open an LLC in the state of Wyoming in the easiest and most simplest way. Now, opening an LLC in United States was quite a difficult task, but nowadays with the World Wide Web, you have a lot of privileges out there to help you. Now, in our case, we're going to be using First Base, and if you want to use this amazing LLC generation platform for yourself, do make sure to check the link down in the description below to get started off right away. Now, once we're in First Base, what you're going to do is you're going to click on Start My Company. Now, once you do that, here it says Start Your US Company in Minutes. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be choosing LLC over here. Now, once you do that, click on Continue, and this is where they're going to give you the popular states. Now, obviously, we're going to be going with Wyoming because that is where we're going to be setting our LLC up. And once you've done that, what you're going to do is you're simply going to click on Continue. And from here, you're simply going to go over to your payment, add in your first name, last name, email, confirm your email, password, confirm your password, sign up with their accounts, and they will simply go to your payments and ask you to sign some necessary documents. And from there on out, they're going to let you know once the payment has processed, they're going to let you know that you have a registered LLC. And that is how simple and easy it is to open an LLC in Wyoming in 2025. So thank you for watching. And if you want to use First Base for yourself, do make sure to check the link down in the description below. Thank you for watching. Drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.